It's not vanilla day.
It's been a minute, but he back at it.
Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Mama. Not you.
Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing there?
I don't know. Where is your bowl? What are you doing? Excuse me.
What?
Hey, sit. Paw. Paw.
Quit it. Sit.
Sit.
Zipper, you don't get a treat till she sits.
Come here, sit.
She should sit.
Good boy.
Like your mama.
You know. She doesn't want to play right now.
Take his ass outside. Take him outside first.
You ready, Piggy? Let him know.
And I think you forget he's my man.
What's wrong? What happened?
We need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Why? You better stop cussing.
Ooh, yes.
Mama did. I think I failed.
Go. Oh.